Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove an Audi Q7 center console. First, ensure you have the right tools, including plastic pry tools and a small ratchet set. Begin by shifting your gear selector into the drive position. This provides crucial clearance. Next, gently remove the rear center console vent. You can use a specialized hook tool or even a carefully bent wire hanger for this step. Now, let's move on to disconnecting the electrical components. Behind the rear vent, you'll find several connectors. It's important to carefully detach each one. There's often a particularly small and sometimes stubborn connector directly on the vent itself, so take your time with it. Double-check that all wiring harnesses are completely free to prevent any damage during the next steps. With the electricals disconnected, it's time to remove the fasteners holding the console in place. You'll typically find about 6 bolts securing the front section of the center console. Additionally, there are usually 4 more bolts located underneath or around the armrest area. Use a suitable metric socket, often an 8 or 10 millimeter, to carefully loosen and remove all these fasteners. For the final step, carefully begin to lift the center console, starting from the rear and moving towards the front. Apply gentle, even pressure, as there might be a few remaining clips holding it in place. Always be aware of any unseen wires that could still be attached. Once completely free, place the console onto a soft, protected surface to avoid any scratches or damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.